Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create multiple choice questions in WordPress. This can be very useful if it's required in your design, such as exercises or questionnaires. Now, to notify you, WordPress features require a paid subscription that costs $40 in order to be able to have access to these features. Now, I didn't pay for the subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow these steps, you'll be able to create multiple choice questions in WordPress very easily. Now, let's dive in for the website. Let's dive in and follow these steps. The first step is to install a quiz plugin. And to do that, you have to access your WordPress account by logging into your account. As soon as you log into your account, by entering your account credentials, you'll be directed to your home's dashboard, your account's dashboard. From here, go to the plugin section right here next to the plug in the left sidebar here and click on it. And in the search bar, search for Quizmaker right here and click on the loop to and select this one. Now, as I said before, in order to upgrade and activate a plugin, you're gonna have to pay for a WordPress subscription. As soon as you do, you're gonna be able to do this successfully. Now, after you install and activate the plugin, set up a new quiz. Navigate to the plugins dashboard and click on Add New Quiz. After that, provide a title and select quiz type. These steps should appear once you activate the plugin. The third step is to add questions and answer. Choose multiple choice as the question type and enter the question and provide answer options. After that, mark the correct answers. The fourth step is to style and configure. Adjust quiz appearance, example, color or layouts, and set scoring and timer rules if needed. And for the fifth and final step, publish the quiz. End the quiz source code into a post or a page and test it before publishing. For additional tips, randomize question order to keep quizzes engaging and use feedback for correct and incorrect answers to educate users. And that's it. That's how you create a multiple choice questions in WordPress. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.